This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in settings to remove Talkback quickly. With Talkback on, explore with one finger and double tap to activate items. Use two fingers to scroll. Once you locate settings, single tap the app to focus, then double tap to open it. If the screen is locked, unlock first. Make sure you have your phone nearby and audio on so you can confirm voice feedback as you proceed. Now move to Accessibility inside Settings to find the Talkback toggle. Once inside Settings, look for Accessibility. Either scroll with two fingers or use the search bar. Single tap the accessibility entry to focus it, then double tap to open. Inside Accessibility, navigate to the Talkback or Screen Reader option the same way. Single tap to select, double tap to enter. This section controls spoken feedback and gesture behavior. Take a moment to confirm you're in the Talkback settings so you don't disable a different accessibility feature by mistake. Then prepare to toggle it off. Now disable Talkback. Single tap the toggle to focus, then double tap to switch it off. If a confirmation prompt appears, focus the turn off or OK button and double tap to confirm. Once done, Talkback should stop speaking and touch will behave normally. If it persists, try the volume key accessibility shortcut. Press both volume buttons for 3 seconds if enabled, or reboot the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if gestures still act odd, reboot and check accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.